Importing URLs and analysing them using frequency filters. Now some of you will ask, where do I get my first list from? Well, first off, you need to make sure it's a list of URLs coming from the same CMS, like WordPress or vBulletin, for example. We're finding CMS specific footprints to use in search engine scrapers to find great link targets. Me personally, I take my success list from Xroomer and GSA SIR. So in my program folder I have a verify list, and this is where I get my URLs. But you can also find free link lists all over the internet, especially on SEO forums. You only need a handful of URLs to get started, because after you use FBF on them, you can then use those footprints to find more targets and then start the cycle again to build an even bigger footprint list. It's really not difficult to start building a list, and the rewards are huge because having better linked lists is very important for SEO. I've imported my list and run FBF. At the bottom we can see the results. We have a lot of snippets from a small list. Let's have a look at some of them. Remember Me, so that's probably a footprint. See, a lot of these are standard ones. Now, wire posts, I'm not familiar with that one, but it's on 46% of sites, so it should be okay. All site tags. Okay, and we've got some other languages here as well, so those probably are footprints. Yeah, I suspect if we had more Spanish sites, then we'd have a higher number of these, so I think those are all good actually. Twitter we want to remove because that'll just throw up loads of results that we don't want. Okay, so we don't want any of the footprints that have only appeared once. I mean, some of them may be footprints because they're in different languages, but most of them probably won't be. So I'm going to turn this up to 8, and the reason I'm doing that is because this number's below 8 and this number's above 8, and we want to keep all the 2s and get rid of all the 1s. So I'm going to put it at 8% and then select filter, remove all less than or equal to frequency threshold. And there we go, we've got rid of all the 1s, and instead of 300 and something footprints we now have 31. Okay, so now we've done that, we have a cleaner footprint list, and that will help us find new backlink targets. That's how we use the frequency filters, and the next video is about exporting data and using the footprint list builder.